Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a fig fruit. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So then let's get started. I'm gonna start with the color pencils itself and I'm gonna color through it, and I'll show you how it looks at the end of this video. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comments below. So there you go. I'm gonna add a little bit more color to it. And this is the final look. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below. And I have a lot of other products as well. Check it out if you're interested. And now I'm gonna put some next videos for you to check out next as well, including the playlist of the food items that I've drawn before. And you can also click on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and if you have any questions, comments, and if you have any requests that you want me to draw for next time, let me know in the comments below. And I also do some DIY projects and make stuff, so if you want me to make something, let me know in the comments below. So then I hope you have a great day. Bye.